Hi, Ron Berglund, Berglund Law Office, Bloomington, Minnesota, with another short video about estate planning and probate. This is about the probate of a house in Richfield, I should say the estate of a lady who owned the house in Richfield for many years. They had 9 or 10 children in the family, so one of them came and saw me and signed up so that I would handle the probate for Mom's house. Because, they didn't know any better, and she owned the home in her own name, and she passed away, so it had to be probated. The house, we finished the probate pretty much. The house was on the verge of closing, and you have to send a special letter to the Minnesota Commissioner of Human Services. In this case, it came back just shortly before the closing, and it was a little email, and it just said, just send us a check, send Hennepin County a check for $54,000. The children, including my client, knew nothing about this, so of course I had to make that phone call, and I said, well, you better, as soon as the closing occurs, before you split the money with your siblings and send out checks, I want you to make a point of sending a check to Hennepin County for $54,000. Because if he didn't do that, the Hennepin County was going to come after him because he's the personal representative and he has a fiduciary duty. And he wouldn't want to have to try to go back to his siblings and say, hey, send me, $10,000 so I can pay this. The reason this happened was unbeknownst to any of the children, the state of Minnesota had paid for Dad's nursing home for about a half a year, like 15 years before Mom died. And you do see that a lot, where sometimes the dads just die 15, 20, 30 years before Mom. And the state has a computer, and they never forget when they've paid for nursing homes and assisted living. So that's something to keep in mind. And if you have questions about estate planning and probate, check our website. The information's provided. Our phone number is provided. Give us a call. Love to have you come in and give you a free consultation. Or we can do something over the phone too. Thanks for tuning in.